Finny, I get plenty. Wake up right next to the semi. Low so loaded than the done. Habits to the nine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So in today's episode, got a ton of parts for the Miata. Got them all in there. So I got the Tein coilovers. These are control arms. These are upper control arms, I believe. This is one of the lower control arms. And then if I pop the trunk real quick. All right, so in the trunk, we got the other lower control arm right here. We have all new wheel bearings. So we got 4 right here. And then we got a ton of new, these are steering parts. So I think we got tie rods. Yep, we got tie rods right here. We got, I think, sway bar end links. I think that's what this was. Yeah, this is sway bar end link. We got, I think these are the engine mounts. We got a whole bunch of new stuff. So I'm gonna bring all this to Dan's. I'll get it all out on the table so it's much easier to see. Basically, I just wanted to overhaul the entire suspension on the car. I got new top hats as well for the suspension because you just gotta make sure if you do get these Tein coilovers for the Miata, they don't come with new top hats, and you should always replace the top hats on new suspension. So I got the new top hats with that. So we're gonna get to Dan's right now, get it out on the table. Alrighty, so we got everything out on the table. So we got the lower control arms right here. Here's the coilovers. These are the Tein Street Advance Z. See the part number. Where's part number? It's G9M65 U1531. And we got the upper control arms right here. We got the tie rods. These are just the boots for the suspension. And then we got the top hats right here. These are the rear wheel bearing and the hub assemblies right here. These are the front wheel bearing and hub assemblies, and these we don't need because these came with new ones, so we're not going to use those. But we got the Miata up in the air right now. I'm going to get the tripod aimed over here, and we're going to start the time lapse taking apart the suspension. Alrighty, so everything's out except for the sway bar and sway bar end links. Looks pretty weird. Still got to get to this side. We just want to get everything fully off on this side, just make sure it was all good to go. Alrighty, so we're pretty much all set in the front. Got all the new parts in there. New tie rods, tie rod ends, control arms. Alrighty, so we're all done. Got all the heights around both four corners as close as possible. When we do the alignment, we'll probably be able to get it a little bit closer, but that should be good on the ride height. Didn't want to have it too low. I have the suspension dampening on the softest setting right now, so you actually adjust those right here. So those are on the softest setting. So this is what the fitment's looking like. It's the front right corner. It's front left. Rear left. And rear right. And then, alrighty, so we're back at my house. It's actually been a little more than a day. It's been about a week or so. Been super busy with work, but she's running great. And now I'm at work. It's been about 2 weeks since that last video, and it's still running great. So I did want to give it some time to see if the suspension would settle, or if there are any things that I noticed that I didn't like, but honestly, it's been mint. So I am on a little bit of an incline right here, so there's a bit of a gap in the back, but front still looks good. Don't have any issues with rubbing at all. I still have it on the softest setting, so it is a little bouncy, but I really have no complaints for this whole suspension setup. I'm glad we did everything at once, because now it's running great. I was gonna take it for a road test, but there's not really much difference in, at least from what you can see on video, there's not really too much of a difference visually with the suspension stuff. So for the end of this video, I got a treat for you guys. I got a bunch of bonus footage of the X3 beating up on a bunch of BMWs at the last car meet. So I'm gonna put that at the end of the video, but thank you guys so much for watching. The next video, I got a mid-pipe for the M4 that we're gonna be putting on with Dan. So enjoy the videos of the X3 racing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Tires don't rub at all?
No,
Nice,
I haven't.
nice.
Well, I just threw the rears on. Like I said, I'm only running like 27 pounds. So some people do like 20, 25, but just to test them out. We can leave that way, up that way.
Yeah, you can leave that way.